At Wheelworks, we refurbish alloy wheels. Whether your wheels need to be refreshed or you require a bespoke paint service, the Wheelworks team make individual customer needs a priority, so you can always be guaranteed that we will provide impartial advice, making sure you get the finish you need. At our workshop in Crawley, we can accommodate all aspects of wheel repair: curb damage, corrosion, flaking paint, cracks and bends. Our new water-based paint system means we can provide you with an infinite number of bespoke finishes. From family saloons to high-performance supercars, we can also give a top-quality finish to your classic car or motorbike. We just do wheels, so you know that our focus is always in the right place. To book an appointment, give us a call or use our online request form. A quality finish starts here.